Good evening. I am Pratap here. Today is 6th September 2023. So let us filter the stocks near to the daily demand zone. So I am selecting the entry time frame as daily. So I would like to filter the stocks that are near to the demand zone. For that I need to select the field signal type. Here I have defined the different signals and one of these signals near any demand zone. And let me click on top down strategy button. Now it displayed all the stocks that are close to the daily demand zone. So our time frame is daily and the signal type we selected near any demand zone. So these 5 stocks are filtered. So this is for our reference. Now let's go back. Now let us filter the stocks that are near to the supply zone. So our entry time frame is daily and the signal parameter is the near any supply zone. Now I'm clicking the top down strategy builder. Now it generated the daily report for the stocks near any supply zone. Now 7 stocks are filtered. Now you can refer these stocks. Now let's go back. Again, your entry time frame is daily. This time I would like to filter the stocks that are closed inside demand zone. So the signal parameter is inside any demand zone. DZ indicates demand zone. Click on top down strategy button. Now it filtered 9 stocks. Time frame daily and signal type is inside any demand zone. Now again let us go back and select the entry time frame as daily, and this time I am selecting the parameter inside any supply zone. That means the stocks closed inside the supply zone. So these are the daily stocks. That are closed in a supply zone on today. So I'm scrolling down. So those who wants to refer, just you can pause the video here and you can study and then you can move further. So I'm going down. So I'm giving some time to pause your video here to study your interested stocks. I'm going down. Further down. So total 46 stocks closed inside the daily supply zone on today. So we should be very careful. If all the supplies are strong, and tomorrow it might push the market down. It is only a possibility because there are so many parameters that will be influencing the market. But it is one clue, so we should be very careful. So let's go back. So I'm selecting the time frame as daily. Now I want to know how many demand zones are tested on today. So I'm selecting any tested demand zone. I'm clicking the top down strategy button. So total 8 stocks are tested in the demand zone on daily time frame. Now let's go back and look into the supply zone, tested supply zones. So your entry time frame is already selected daily, and now I'm selecting the parameter any tested supply zone. So click on the top down strategy. Now 15 stocks are tested at supply zone, daily supply zone. So time frame is daily and any tested supply zone. Now let's go back and find the newly created zones on today. So entry time frame is daily and DZ new means demand zone new, means newly created demand zone. So click on top down strategy. So today 15 demand zones are created. You might have observed few stocks with dark green color, and those stocks are not having any supply zones. They are having only demand zones. The zones at the demand zones at the all-time high will not be having any supply zone. So to indicate these are all demand zones at all-time high, I changed the color as a dark green color compared to the demand zones with normal green color, I mean light green color. Okay, these are the 15 zones, newly created demand zones on today. So let's go back and find the newly created daily supply zones. So entry time frame is daily, and now the signal type I'm changing to supply zone new, SZ new. That means newly created supply zones. So click on the top down strategy. Now it filters 6 stocks. It filtered 6 stocks. So these are the supply zones created on today. Okay. Now for your further reference, let me show you the status of all the 201 stocks. If you would like to know the status of a particular stock you are having interest, so you can use these zones as your reference. So going to top down analysis strategy builder, entry time frame already selected daily. Now I am not defining any strategy. I am clicking top down strategy button because I didn't define any strategy. It does not filter any stocks. It displays all the 201 stocks. So let me move the screen. I'll give you 4 to 5 seconds time to pause your video before looking to the next page. I'm moving to the next page. I'm moving to the next page. I'm moving to the next page. Next page. Next list of stocks. Next list of stocks. Next list. Next list of stocks. next list. Moving to next page. And moving next. So this is the end of the report. I'll meet you again in my next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.